Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. In this video, I want to show you my honest review, and I hope I will be able to highlight all the pros and cons of this product. So let's begin.
Wow.
So, how to earn money with WowApp? That was the question I began to ask myself. I did understand the concept when I joined, but I was still scratching my head with the how. The first way I encountered how to earn money with WowApp was when I bought myself a US virtual phone number. To purchase that USA number, it cost $18 a year, or you have a choice to purchase it for 3 months for $9. I opted to buy the yearly subscription. I also have a Skype number which cost me $52.26 a year to have. I say, wow, that's a big difference. So a few minutes later, I hear the app make a sound, as if coins were dropping in a cash register. I took a look, and I see that I just got paid $1.80. I say, cool. I call this cash back. I spent $20, $18 went to purchase the number, and $2 for calling credits. Skype, nor any other app that I have ever used, has done that. The prices are very cheap, and to top it all off, I'm getting cash back. I give that another wow. Now, armed with my new number and $2 of calling credits, I decide to call my mom to tell her I have a new number. My mom is hitting nearly 80 years of age, and technology does not mix well with her. We talk for about 15 minutes. Then after a few minutes, or maybe less, I hear those coins dropping in the cash register again. I went to check to see what the deal was, and you're not going to believe what happened. I got paid, or should I say cash back, for using my own minutes. They deposited 6 cents into my account. Holy smokes! Try that with the overpriced Skype. This gets another wow. The quality of the call was great, and I can say that WowApp was way better than Skype. I did call my wife, and she was riding the train at the time, and the clarity was poor, but that was to be expected. Now that I have used some of my minutes for calling cell phones and landlines, it was time to take the WowApp voice messaging for a test drive with a few of my friends that joined. Don't forget that every time I used my purchase minutes, I received cash back. I called my friend Pat as soon as he joined using the free voice calling feature. He was in upstate New York, basking in the snow at his lovely cabin in the woods. Now, mind you, I'm calling him from Panama, Central America. The clarity of the free voice calling feature was more than exceptional. I was very pleased. We spoke for 30 minutes and 26 seconds to be exact. It was great catching up with him. During our conversation, I hear the coins dropping in a cash register again. Okay, I said. How am I making money? This is a free call. Well, from what I can make of it, I earned 1.5 cents from ad revenues. Someone must have clicked on a banner ad while we were talking. I'm still trying to figure that one out, but I know it was ad money because it tells me in the members area where the money comes from. I know it's a small amount, but heck, it's free money. You know the old saying, see a penny, pick it up. Here's a screen clipping of the event. The Add Me stands for Advertise Me. You have a choice to turn this feature on to make money with ads, or leave it off and make nothing. There you have it, how to earn money with WowApp, and my first few days using the app. I'll post more info as I learn more about the app. What I have experienced so far, I can certainly give it a thumbs up, and definitely another big wow.
Wow. Wow.
Cool, right? Click the link in the description for my price discounted special.